Shalom, shalom, Shanipo. Happy Passover. Hak Pesach Sameach. This is the season when we celebrate the Passover. Let us look at the words in Hebrew for Happy Passover to understand what they mean. Hak means holiday. Pesach means Passover. Sameach means happy. Hag means a feast, a commemoration of a special event with dancing, rejoicing, and sharing of food, a ceremony of joy and thanksgiving. It is a festival with a magnificent meal which is shared with a number of guests. Ichaka refers to a particular period in time, including a festival. The word for Passover in Hebrew is Pesach. This is a name given to the day and the memorial of Israel's exodus from Egypt. It is also the name of the lamb that is slaughtered on this day. Posuka refers to salvation in Echibemba. The words Samach means rejoice, to be happy, to be glad. Another variation is Simcha, which means joy, which is a state of felicity or happiness. Samwa or Ukusamwa in Echibemba means to be full of joy. Happy Passover! Shalom, shalom, Shalom.